My name is Dr. Jonathan Ouellette. I teach a TeethXpress course, which we're now doing here in Atlanta, and it's on digital dentistry, photogrammetry, and how to 3D print for full arch cases. I've been doing now full digital workflow for 4.5, getting closer to 5 years now, and it's absolutely changed the way that I practice, and I love it. It makes it fun and exciting, and I hope that I can convey that message and information to other practicing doctors that are doing full arch.